With regards to extraordinary starter cruisers, Harley Davidson isn't known for them. Harleys are noisy, overwhelming, capable bicycles that have an extremely novel culture encompassing them. One that grasps the veteran rider generally. To most non-cruiser riders you have just two kinds of bicycles, crotch rockets and Harleys. In spite of the fact that the Iron 883 won't not be the best tenderfoot bicycle, it is truly outstanding to pick on the off chance that you are a Harley fan. One thing is that Harleys possess a great deal of this style. They are a novel-looking, and interesting-sounding bike. The Iron 883 is extraordinary compared to other-looking Harleys as I would like to think. It has a savage look that is great in the meantime as it is current. On the off chance that you need a forceful-looking bike, look no more distant than this bicycle. The motor of this creature is fueled by a 53.92-inch motor, or 883 cc's. Consequently the name. Ordinarily I truly attempt and avoid suggesting anything higher than 650 cc's for a starter bike, however I know there are a few people out there that mean a Harley and nothing else will get the job done. For those individuals the Iron 883 offers a decent alternative. That 883cc power plant is air-cooled and fuel-infused. That implies you don't need to mess around with carburetors like you would on a more seasoned cruiser bike. The passed-out and powder-covered motor additionally looks astounding. It's certainly a bike with not a lot of chrome bits which truly adds to that forceful state of mind exuding from this bicycle. It's moderately reasonable for a Harley coming in at $8,399. It's one of the minimum costly Harleys out there and depends on the Sportster stage which has a demonstrated reputation. There is a low seat stature on this bike which makes it simple to level foot and give you to a greater extent the conviction that all is good when you are halted or going gradually. You will require that since this bicycle is massive. It tips the scales at 562 pounds to place that conversely, a Ninja 300 weighs 362 pounds and the SV 650 weighs 437 pounds. That additional weight truly makes slow speed moves on the 883 harder than they must be. Is that a major issue for this bike? I don't think so. Heaps of bicycles are overwhelming, and that greatness really implies you are more steady when going on the expressway. In the event that you have a more extended drive or you anticipate taking street trips, then this would be something to be thankful for. Something I like about Harley is they offer an amateur rider's instructional class called Rider's Edge. It's fundamentally the same as the Motorcycle Safety Foundation's MSF course, and in a few zones it's really educated by similar individuals. The fundamental distinction is that Rider's Edge is a lot more costly, around $300, and the class sizes are littler so you get more individual consideration. In the event that you wind up getting an Iron 883 it would be justified, despite all the trouble to ask about their Rider's Edge course. You may even have the capacity to roll that into the cost of the bike on the off chance that you are great at transactions.